In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the right front CV axle on this Mercedes E350. Let's get into it. I'm going to remove the wheel, use a 17mm socket, take the lug nuts off. Once I get to the last one, I'm just going to hold the wheel, take that one off. I'm going to remove the wheel. We're going to remove this shield, use an 8mm socket, take all these bolts out. On the sides, you're going to have these bolts to take out. There should be 2. Same with the other side. Just grab the panel, slide it down. Now we're going to remove this panel. Use the same 8mm socket. Take these screws out. And slide it down. Using a 27mm socket, we're going to take the axle bolt out. And then you want to make sure you can just push on the axle like that. You can take a punch and just push on it, but make sure it's separated. And using a 22mm socket on the nut, 21mm socket on the bolt. Take this bolt out. There might be a washer that falls. Make sure you save that washer. Now we'll do the same with the bolt that goes through here. 21 on this side, 22 on this side. There we go. That nut off. And the washer. And slide the bolt out. You can see the bolt for the front lower control arm bushing is longer than the back one. So keep that in mind. I'll just use a pry bar, pry this down. We want to be able to get this bolt out. Pry in between the bar and the stabilizer bar. Using a 21mm socket and a 21mm wrench on the other side. Take that bolt out. We can pry this down. From the front underneath, I'm just taking a pry bar, and there's a little lip right here. You can see on the joint. I just want to give it a tap right there. And separate it from the front differential. There we go, it's separated. Before I go any further, I'm just going to push the rotor out. Pull the axle in. Separate the axle up front. And just slide it out. There it is. Now slide the rotor back. Just line this up. Just be careful, don't put too much tension on the wires. Just look. There we go, that's lined up. And just try to push it in. Might have to twist it a little. Just with a rubber mallet, just give it a couple taps. And lock that down. Slide it into the back of the hub. Slide the lower control arm up. There we go. Just using a Phillips head screwdriver. Just try to get this to line up. Raise this up a little bit. Try to get the bolt in. Get that to line up. Take your nut, get that started. Now I'll torque this bolt and nut to 119 foot-pounds. Just tap the control arm in place. Take the bolts, shorter one goes in the back. And put the washers on and the nuts. Before I tighten those two bolts down, I want to raise up on the suspension. I'm just using a pull jack. You want to get this as close to ride height as possible. Just be careful. It's good there. It would be ideal if you could put this on the ground and then torque these bolts. It's not that easy sometimes. Let's snug these bolts down first. Torque these bolts to 81 foot-pounds. pull jack. Take the axle bolt, get that started. I'm going to take 2 of the lug studs. Using the pry bar, it's just going to prevent the hub from spinning. Torque the bolt to 52 foot-pounds. And then you want to go an additional 90 degrees. If you don't have a torque angle meter, do the best you can. All right, that's good. Take this shield, line it up. Get the screws started. Snug those down. Slide this shield in place. The bolt started. On the sides, get those started. Tighten those down. I'll take these lug studs out. And put the wheel on. Once you get one started, then you can put the other ones in. Now we're going to torque the lug bolts to 95 foot-pounds in a cross pattern to tighten the wheel down evenly. Just go around again, double check. After you're done this job, it's a good idea to bring the vehicle to a local shop to have it aligned so you don't have premature tire wear.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.